Hi friends, my name is Kaushik Kumar Nath. Railway Group D examot General Science question কি আহিব পাৰে তাৰ বিষয়ে আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। এইটো মোৰ পাৰ্ট 2 ভিডিও। পাৰ্ট 1 ভিডিওটো এতিয়ালৈ যদি চোৱা নাই ডেসক্ৰিপচনত তাৰ লিংকটো দিয়া আছে, তাত গৈ আপুনি চাই ল'ব পাৰে। আৰু চেনেলটো এতিয়ালৈ যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব। আহকচোন চাই লওঁ কি কোৱেশ্চন আছে। Question 1. In which of the following process is energy released? Answer A. Respiration. Question 2. BIOS stand for? Answer C. Basic Input Output System. Question 3. The source of the sun's energy is the process of? Answer B. Nuclear fusion. Question 4. ROM stand for? Answer A. Read-only memory. Question 5. Ringworm is a disease caused by? Answer B. Fungi. Question 6. Curie is the unit of? Answer D. Radioactivity. Question 7. Milk is an example of? Answer B. Emulsion. Question 8. Computer is? Answer C. An electronic device. Question 9. Farad is unit of? Answer C. Capacitor. Question 10. Which acid is present in lemon? Answer B. Citric acid. Question 11. Viticulture is study and production. Answer C. Grapes. Question 12. The vitamin which is generally excreted by human in urine is? Answer C. Vitamin C. Question 13. Theory of relativity by? Answer C. Albert Einstein. Question 14. The connection of a solid directly into its vapor is called? Answer A. Sublimation. Question 15. Average blood pressure of a human is? Answer C. 120/80. Question 16. Animals living on the water and land are known as? Answer B. Amphibians. Question 17. Which among the following is the major cause of acid rain? Answer C. Nitrogen dioxide. Question 18. RAM stands for? Answer A. Random access memory. Question 19. Keyboard and mouse are? Answer C. Input device. Question 20. The tape is moved at a constant speed of? Answer B. 4.75 cms. Question 21. Radio wave invented by? Answer A. Heinrich Hertz. Friends, ভিডিওটো চাই যদি ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। সাবস্ক্ৰাইবৰ ওচৰত থকা নটিফিকেশ্যন বেলটো অন কৰি দিব যাতে আমাৰ সকলো ভিডিও আপোনালোকে চাবলৈ পাৰে। আজিলৈ ইমানেই, ধন্যবাদ।